Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to think about one special idea. That idea is this: creativity finds its own creator. Maybe this sounds a little mysterious. We will explore what this means and why it will change the way you see yourself. Let us begin this wonderful journey together. Creativity finds its own creator. It means creativity is alive. It is like a living thing. It is always moving, it is always searching, and it searches for the right person to work through. Think of it this way: a song is looking for someone to sing it. A story is looking for someone to write it. These ideas float around in the world. They are waiting. They are searching for the right person. And then, one day, they find that person. They find you. You did not go looking for the idea. The idea came looking for you. That is what this saying means. It is something that comes to you. It finds you. And when it does, your only job is to be ready. 1. You were chosen. This part is very special. Have you ever had a sudden idea? Maybe you were walking outside. Maybe you were almost asleep. And then an idea came to you. A song, a plan, a story. You did not try to think of it. It just came. It appeared in your mind like a light turning on. That was creativity finding you. Creativity chose you in that moment. It said, "This person. I will go to this person." Why you? Because you are ready. Because your heart is open. Because your experiences, your feelings, and your imagination are exactly what that idea needs. No one else could bring that idea to life the same way you can. No one else has your exact life. No one else has your exact heart. The idea came to you because you are the right person for it. This is beautiful. You were chosen. 2. Creativity lives inside everyone. Now, let us talk about something important. Some people say, "I am not creative." They believe creativity belongs to artists, musicians, and writers. They think it is a gift that only some people are born with. But this is not true. Creativity lives inside every person. It is inside you right now. It does not matter what your job is. It does not matter how old you are. Creativity shows up in many ways. A worker finds a faster way to do a task. A child builds something with blocks. An instructor finds a new way to explain something. All of these are creativity. You have had these moments too. You just did not call it creativity. But it was. 3. How creativity comes to you. Let us talk about how creativity arrives. Creativity does not come when you are stressed. It does not come when you are busy and rushing. It does not come when your mind is full of noise. Creativity comes quietly. It comes when you are resting. It comes when you are walking alone. It comes when you are doing something simple. In these quiet moments, your mind is relaxed, and that is when creativity slips in. That is when it finds you. This is why many great ideas come in unexpected places. So if you want to be more creative, give yourself quiet time. Let your mind wander. 4. Your job as a creator. When creativity finds you, you have a job to do. Your job is simple but very important. It is to say yes. Say yes to the idea. Do not push it away. Do not say, I am not good enough for this, or this is too big for me, or I will do this later. If you push the idea away, it may leave. It may go looking for someone else, someone who is ready, someone who says yes. So when an idea comes to you, welcome it. Be grateful for it. Treat it like a special guest. Write it down immediately. Sketch it. Record it. Do whatever you can to hold on to it. Because ideas are delicate. They can disappear as fast as they came. Your job is also to be honest. Bring the idea to life in your own true way. Do not try to copy someone else. Do not try to make it look like another person's work. The idea chose you because of who you are. So be yourself. That is what the idea needs. When you say yes to creativity, you become its partner. Together, you create something the world has never seen before. 5. Do not be afraid. Many people feel afraid when an idea comes to them. They think, what if it is not good enough? What if people laugh at it? What if I fail? This fear is normal. Here is something to remember. The idea came to you so that it could exist. It came to you so it could be born into the world. It did not come to you so that it could be perfect. Create something, then create something else, then something else again. Each time you create, you become a better creator. Each time you say yes to an idea, you make it easier for the next idea to find you. 6. Practice opens the door. Let us talk about how to invite creativity into your life. Creativity finds you more easily when you practice. When you create regularly, you send a message to the universe. That is, I am here, I am open, I am ready. And creativity listens. Here are some simple ways to practice every day. Write a little. Write one paragraph in a journal. It does not need to be good. Just write. Write what you see. Write what you feel. Write a memory. Just keep the pen moving. Draw or doodle. You do not need talent to doodle. Just make marks on paper. Circles, lines, shapes, faces, flowers, anything. This warms up your creative mind. Make something with your hands. Cook a meal. Arrange some flowers. Build something small. Creating with your hands connects you to your creative self. Spend time in nature. Nature is full of ideas. When you spend time in nature, your mind opens. New ideas find space to enter. Be curious. Ask questions. Wonder about things. Read about topics you know nothing about. Curiosity is the magnet that attracts creativity. When you practice these things, you are opening a door. You are saying, "Come in, creativity. I am here." And creativity will come. 7. Creativity leaves a mark on the world. Every time a creator says yes to creativity, something new enters the world. A song, a book, a new invention. These things did not exist before, but now they do, because someone said yes. Because creativity found its creator. And those things touch people. This is the power of creativity. It does not stay with the creator. It spreads. It moves from one heart to another. It connects people across time and distance. When you create something and share it, you leave a mark on the world. Even if only one person is touched by what you create, that is enough. That is more than enough. You changed one life. That is a beautiful thing. 8. Conclusion. We have reached the end of our journey. Remember the big idea. Creativity finds its own creator. You are that creator. You have always been. And creativity will keep finding you for the rest of your life. Go create something. The world needs it. The world needs you. If this lesson touched your heart, subscribe and join us. A new inspiring lesson is waiting for you.